Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ka National People's Party, Ubadeiru, Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajila Uba Prestone Song, Ula Kentat Niki Jingpynïasoh Baka Seng Jung Kadon Benta Hakaban Keni Agenda Niki MLA Niki Wepat Ki Seng, Hadian Ka Jingpynïasoh Badangshan Jung MLA Ka Congress Uba Roni Vilingdo Shaka NPP. Habakran Shakila Pathai Kubor Haka Sengit Hodiang Uba Tunsong Ulaong, Bakarai Jung Ki MLA Ban Pynïasoh Shaka NPP, Kadai Namar Ki Agenda Kampenroi Jung Ka Seng, Bat Ka Jing Terwa Pisa. Kamdei Namar ka Pisa ka David Thik tang Halor ka Roy ka Par ulaong dak babenrap baki MLA kila yu ka jingkut jingmut jung ka Seng hakaliang ka Roy ka Par bad kila sya penbor haki ba ka constituency jongki ban yaso no syak NPP ula benrap shushu dak ka baong omdei uba Roni Vilingdo ubala jiet ban Pynïasoh syak NPP dei ki brio jong u ka bamut ka rai jongki ba ha ka bakut uba tunsong ula kedobyang ya ka policy pledging khang jong ka Seng Kapapadiang sngobha yikinong mikmat basya jiet na kiwaypat kiseng ban Pynïasoh syak NPP. Ngidon ka kamra ka bahe bat ka jingkhang ka badang pli lada baro handrup hongut ki MLA ki Pynïasoh bat ngi kata nang bun kata nang kemen laong uba tensong dak bapenpaw ka jing ang nuot ban yui babaro handrup hongut ki MLA ha ka jila kinong ki dekhot jong ki NPP. Uba tensong ula ajing mudru e ka Seng Congress ban khme bnya bat penthama yi kam san perthai hapo jongka dak ba ajing mut baga jing bamla jong ka Seng ban bat yala ki MLA kadai Namar ka jing duna jong la jong hi udai unong yalam ke NPP ula penpaw biang ya ka jing ang nuot jong ka Seng ban penbyang ya ka Roy ka Par shaman la ki benta jong ka jila dak ba pdiang sngop haru economic mat basya jiet na ki weipat ki Seng ban yaso syak NPP.
No, you see, let me tell you one thing. Those party who blaming us like that, in fact, they should realize one thing. They fail to run their own politics within their own party. Means they fail totally. And then whenever MLAs joining the NPP, they used to blame us that we paid so much amount. They are being poached because of money, this, that. But let me tell you very, very frankly to all of you, why these MLAs join us, merge with us. It is not because of the money. It is only purely on the basis of the development. They have seen the development. And they are being pressurized by their own respective leaders or voters in their constituency that we need development. So therefore, they decided to join the party NPP because this joining of them, I think it proved that NPP is the only party who can really provide development, whatever you say.
So even if you're saying that they've opted for an NPP because of development, however, elections was there and the mandate was not given to NPP. It was because Baroni was from Congress and they voted for him and he won from that seat, from that party. However, now he is betrayed his people. Or how do you look at the overall? Because you're saying that it's for development, but however, people didn't choose NPP that time.
Yes. See, that's what I'm saying. They did not choose. But ultimately, they chosen to join NPP. It is not Roni who chosen to join NPP. It is his people. Means the mandate of the people ultimately. If their people does not want their MLA to join NPP, why should they? You get my point? So therefore now, see, like 3 MLAs from Congress. Then again recently, 1 more MLA from Congress merged with the party NPP. Do you think these 4 MLAs who join NPP will not consult with their leaders, with the people in their respective constituency? They have to. So doing that, ultimately it proved very, very clearly now that people of the state now opted to NPP. They wanted to join NPP. As I said to you, just because of one issue, and that issue is development.
Why do you need more members? Your ship is already full.
It's not the question. It's not the question of need more numbers. But let me tell you one thing. The principle of NPP is we have a big room. Still, the door is open. If all the 60 MLAs join us, the more, the merrier. As a president of the party NPP, we welcome. Still, if we get 60 numbers, we are very happy. Please join the NPP. But when you join, you should realize one thing: you need development. Beyond that, no. Because we are here to provide development to every part of the state. So we are here also to welcome the honorable elected representative if they wanted to join the party NPP. Till today, tomorrow, and maybe 1 year or 6 months or 3 months before the end of the term, we still welcome.
Sir, before
No, I don't have any dialogue. What I would like to only advise again to the Congress party, please revisit and do a major repairing work.
So this is hinting to the president, MPCC president Vincent Pala.
No, I talk to Congress party, to the Congress party.
Well, NPP has winded.
I can't say anything on that. I'm not the leader of Congress. I'm not the president, or I'm not even the office bearer of the Congress. So I don't know what to say and how do I see the position of the Congress in the state of Meghalaya. So I can't say anything.
Do you believe that it is still a sinking ship or sink ship?
No, I already replied. They need to revisit and do a major repairing work.
Your next target is TMC and BPP, since you are saying all the 60 will be heard.
We welcome everybody. That's what I'm saying. The space is there. Because we have 60 MLAs in our state, I would like to see that all the 60 MLAs are also member of the NPP.
Are you planning to break TMC or BPP?
Why should you ask me about breaking? We are not here to break anybody. Why should we break? It's not the question of breaking ourselves. We are not here, to break BPP, to break HSBPP, or to break any other political party like UDP and others. We are not here for that. We have a sleepless night, and we hardly sleep also, because we want to provide development to each and every constituency in the state of Meghalaya.
But are you eyeing these political parties, opposition political parties, if the MLAs they have sent you feelers to join NPP? If the MLA
After I saying this, maybe feelers will come. Because as I said to you right now, the door is open. We have enough room to accommodate even if we reach up to the number of 60.
So like you're saying that if you're aiming for all the 60 in your NPP kitty, are you saying that you're aiming for Meghalaya where there's zero opposition party?
I think if we can do that, nothing like it. I think we will create a history. Nothing like it.